Greetings and welcome to my channel. This is Sorcerer Tal again. You can also find me on Facebook in the Sorcerer's Guild. Tonight, in honor of Sovereign, we are going to be bringing about the birth of Noctera. Noctera is a new twist on an old favorite. We are going to be creating another Potato Golem. Unlike Cope de Fel or Odell or any of the Potato Golems we have worked with in the past, this potato will not be given a humanoid face. Rather, it will be manifesting through a second servitor in the new bone scalpel that I have acquired, which is much larger than the first one. It seems to have been made from the nose of a swordfish, but it has very conductive properties, and we will be connecting it to Noctera in the same way that we have connected the mana battery to the smaller bone scalpel, and it will be used for the cutting of lines of fate, of cords, of cutting anything away. It will be used for the removal of energy. Okay, so to begin this process, of course, we will begin awakening Noctera into the potato that has been chosen for this. And we have chosen a very special potato for this. This is a homegrown black potato grown here on the island in organic soil, and it is ready to begin the process. Okay, so the first thing that we will need, besides Noctera, is a little bit of the yeast. Just a bit. Okay, and now we're ready. Okay, so we'll wash her in the servitor water. And then place the crossroads. Now, we want to take a good look. Make sure we're not harming any of the eyes while we do this, because even though she will not be given a humanoid face, she will have eyes, like any potato. Cross over top of each other, making sure not to damage any eyes, but also making sure that they do cross directly over each other. Okay, now she will be placed over top of her container, given a bit of that yeast, and now the next ingredient is the bone dust from the Servitor Sword from which she will be attached. We're going to combine this with the water, and this will also provide her extra calcium for her health. And then earth, Night of the Earth, Noctera, arise and grow. And now we give her the remaining servitor water. And then we take the Servitor Sword. Noctera! Rise, Noctera, Night of the Earth. Rise, Noctera, Night of the Earth, and go forth into the night. That's going to be it for this episode. Thank you once again for joining us. Don't forget to like if you've enjoyed this video, and if you haven't subscribed yet, there's going to be more to come. So, don't forget to subscribe for more. That's that's going to be it for this episode. Bright blessings and interesting fate. We'll see you next time.